Hi, this is part 14 of our CRM system. Here we will discuss about the invoices in the system, the Invoices Module. This is the CRM application. Double click. View. Now you can go directly to the finance module, invoices and purchases. However, it's actually the invoice and purchases are connected to the projects. And this is the project page. And you will find here two double-click boxes. One for invoice and one for purchase order. When you double-click, it means that will lead you to another page. We will speak about the purchase orders in the next video. At the moment, we are going to speak about the invoices. We can click at Add a New Invoice, and this is the new invoice page. Invoice type, if we click at it, we have two options, invoice or cash in. Click at Read Me, and it will say the admin can add, edit this list. We spoke about it in part 5. In the admin options, in the admin application options, there is an option of adding, editing this list. Here is the amount. Let's make it 500. The VAT rate, if there is any. The standard, the 0.05 has been entered into the admin application. This is why you can see it here. If you want to have, for example, 15%, you can go to the admin application and change it from 0.05 to 0.15. However, if there is more and you want to edit it from here, you can just click Edit. Let's make it 5%. So the total invoice is 525. And this is the invoice. You can add a note here, or you can add a detailed note in the history. Just option, add a new note. And you can add notes in details here. If I click here, it means that I'm exit without saving. I'm going out of this page without saving. If I click exit here, it will not accept because one or more of the required field is missing. If you click exit from this button, it means that you are saving and exit the page. But if you click here, it means that you are leaving the page without saving any changes. And you can upload files directly to the system. So for example, the invoice, the actual invoice, you can upload it to the system. And as I said before, this is not an accounting module. This is a cash flow module. We prefer that the accounting software to be separated from the CRM system. However, it is useful that the user have the finance data. So actually, the accounting department can use this system to distribute the finance information to the users. And at the same time, the accounting department can upload invoices and purchase order by the CRM system, because many accounting software does not have a document management within them. So actually, the receipts, invoices and purchase order can be uploaded to the system by this, through these pages, through the invoice page and through the purchase order page and through the project page. Now, there is the paid amount or unpaid. Let's exit this page, and you will find in this box that you have one invoice. The total is 525, and it hasn't been paid. And actually, if If you have many records of invoice, you can go directly from the finance, going to invoice, and you can search by the search page, click unpaid. Or you click partially unpaid, all, or unpaid and unpaid and partial. Unpaid means it's not paid at all. Partial, it means that some of it has been paid. And you can see all the invoice in the system that has not been paid. Exit, return back to the project. Suppose this invoice has been paid. So we go to the view invoices for this project. So for example, this is our project, project ID 2. So these are the invoice for this project. Paid amount, you can type the paid amount. If you, for example, put 100, it means that it is partially paid. And when you click exit, you will find in the database, invoice database, that there is the total invoice is 525, and the total paid amount is 100, and there is 80% remaining. R is for remaining. Tax issued is 25 dirhams. Exit. If it was paid in full, view invoices. This is the invoice. We can enter $sign if the amount is paid in full. You can just type $sign, enter, it's been paid in full. And you see that the remaining is 0. And here, to be paid is 0. View invoices, let's go to the invoice itself. Options, you can, as I said, add a note or add an activity related to this invoice. Add relation, you can add a relation with this invoice to other records in the system. File management, you can upload files related to this page. Change project, suppose you made a mistake that this is not the invoice for project B, you can just change it. Choose company, if this is not the right company, you can change it. Asset and store, I will keep it. I might speak about it in the future, or you can just try it by yourself. It is straightforward. View changes related to this page. So the changes that happen to this particular page is this, and the last one is paid, it was partial, and paid amount, it was 525, it was 100. This is the end of part 14. Thank you for watching.